सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 ही। नमस्कार, स्वागतम dear friends. The last tantra Parikshita Karka is being taken up for our study, and we have already done with the introductory part, and also one story is covered, was fully done out of the 14 stories that are available. Second story is now being studied by us. द्वितीया इयं कथा अस्माभिः पठ्यमाना वर्तते। जानन्ति भवन्तः 14 कथाः वर्तन्ते तत्र। अस्मिन् अन्तिमे तन्त्रे अपरीक्षितकारक नामके तन्त्रे अस्यां कथायां तत्र चत्वारः ब्राह्मणपुत्राः अत्यन्त दारिद्र्यपीडिताः सन्तः किमपि कृत्वा किमपि साहसकार्यं कृत्वा धनम् अर्जनीयं, धनं सम्पादनीयम् इति कृत्वा गच्छन्तः एकं योगिनं मिलन्ति। तेन योगिना सह तत्र सम्भाषणं प्रचलति इदानीं। That is what we are seeing now, the conversation between the yogi and these people, these four brahmanas, how determined they are to, by, as we say in English, by hook or crook, we must earn money. Yena kena upayena dhanam arjayet, like that. Yena kena upayena prasiddho purusho bhavet, like what Charvaka Siddhanta is there. Like that, by somehow or other, by some means or the other, we must make money. In the process of making, earning money, even if we come across death also, it is okay, he said. And we are at this, after these slokas are over, tat katyatam, yes, Srinivas. And today's Sankhya? Yeah, Chatushthyuttara Shatatamaha Varga. 164th class today of Panchatantra. Chatushthyadika Shatatamaha Varga. Yeah. तत् कथ्यताम् अस्माकं कश्चित् धनोपायः विवरप्रदेश शाकिनी साधन श्मशान सेवन महामांस विक्रय साधकवर्ति प्रभूतीनाम् एकतम इति अद्भुत शक्तिः भवान् श्रूयते वयमपि अतिसाहसिकाः उक्तं च. Now, having told so many poems above, how even Lord Vishnu had to work hard, his hands were tired in churning the ocean, only then he got Lakshmi. See, they gave the example of the ultimate Vishnu, and then say the boy says, Tat, so, Kathyatam, please tell, Kathyatam, Asmakam Kaschid Upayah, Dhana Upayah. Dhana Arjanopayah. Please tell us some means of earning. We are desperately looking for making money. That is the desperation of these boys. Kaschid Dhanopayah. Dhanopaya atra means here means Dhana Arjanopaya. Vivara Pradesha. It could be any place. Vivara means cave. We don't mind entering into a cave. Vivara Pradesha. Shakini. We don't mind Shakini sadhana. Satisfying prasadana, satisfying a female demon by Shakini, Dakini. Dakini prasadana. We don't mind even if we are to please some demoness. A female demon. Shakini sadhana, smashana sevana, we don't mind serving in the cremation ground also. Mahamamsa vikraya, we don't mind, we don't care. Mahamamsa vikraya, selling the human flesh also. Mahamamsa here. Now Mahamamsa can be human flesh or the flesh of higher animals like cow, horse, etc. Cows and horses, including right from Manava Mamsa, Srinivas. So see how desperate these boys are. Mahamamsa Vikraya, Sadhaka Vartihi, or
any sadhakavarti means any achieving magical wick varti, or any magical wick among all out of all these things, like going to a den, cave, serving a female demoness, or smashana seva, or mamsa vikraya, or sadhaka varti, etc. Prabhutinam yetesham ekatama iti. One of these. Please show us some means. And the boys say, Adbhuta Shakti Bhavan Shruyati. It is said that you are a great, powerful, you are highly powerful yogi, you are. And his name you have already seen, is a yogi also. Yes, Srinivas. One sentence, Vayamapi, and then they add, Vayamapi Atisahasikaha. We are also not very very insincere as such, but we are Mahasahasikaha. We are highly enterprising. We are highly adventurous boys we are. So that is what they said to this Mahayogi, Bhairavananda Yogi.
Yeah. महान्त एव महतामर्थं साधयितुं क्षमाः ऋते समुद्रादन्यः को बिभर्ति बडवानलम्.
And they are praising the Bhairavananda here. Mahantaha eva mahatam artham sadhayitum kshamaha. Mahantaha, great people only, are capable to achieve the purpose of the great. So great people can understand. Great people are capable of, are able to get the task, achieve the task of the great people, like that. Mahantaha purushaha eva mahatam artham sadhayitum kshamaha. Great people only can achieve the great results. Rute samudrat, giving an example, without samudra, excepting samudra, with rute samudrat, anyaha kaha, who else, bibharti vadavanalam, excepting the ocean, who can bear the submarine fire in it? Only even in the ocean there is a fire inside, submarine fire, that is called Vadavanala. So who else other than the Samudra can tolerate the submarine fire? So great people have to achieve great things with the cooperation of the great people like you. That is what they say. Great people, Mahayogi like you. Yes.
भैरवानन्दः अपि तेषां सिद्ध्यर्थं बहूपायं सिद्धवर्तिचतुष्टयं कृत्वा अर्पयत् आह च गम्यतां हिमालयदिशि तत्र सम्प्राप्तानां यत्र वर्तिः पतिष्यति तत्र असन्दिग्धं प्राप्स्यथ तत्र खातं खनित्वा निधिं गृहीत्वा व्याघुट्यताम्.
So when these boys were after him, the yogi, and they have spoken so much, the yogi has not spoken much. He only asked, where are you from? What are you going to? Where are you going? Etc. And these boys went on telling about their desperation, and their ambition and their adventure. Bhairavananda happy, even that yogi, Bhairavananda also, Tesham, Brahmananam, Chaturnam, Brahmananam, Siddhyartham, for their, you can say, for their achievement, accomplishment. Bahu upayam siddha varti chatustayam kurtva. He prepared siddha varti. He fulfilled magical wicks, magical fulfilling wick, siddha varti chatustayam. 4 boys were there, so 4 wicks, magical wicks he prepared, and gifted them. Krutva arpayat, samarpayat, and said, while gifting them, he said, Ahacha, and he said, Gamyatam, now you may go. Himalaya Dishi, in the direction of the Himalayas, northern direction. Tatra Sampraptanam, there, when you get there, Yatra Vartihi Patishyati, when you get there, wherever the Vartihi wick, magical wick, Siddhavarti, Patishyati will fall, Tatra, wherever it will fall, Tatra Nidhanam Asandigdam Prapsyatha. So there you will Asandigdam, Asamshayam, definitely Nidhanam Nama Dhanam. Nidhanam means Nidhi. Nidhi eva Nidhanam. Tatra Nidhim Prapsyata, you will get it. Wherever you go in the direction of the Himalayas and go with the wick, whichever person's wick falls, wherever it falls, there, Tatra iva, Tasmin Pradeshe eva Nidhanam Nidhim Asandigdam Asamshayam Prapsyata. This is future tense Prapsyata. You will get the treasury. Wherever the wick falls, you will get the treasury. Tatra, there at that spot, Khatam Kanitva. Khatam, there you, Khatam means a ditch. Kanitva, you dig a ditch there, you dig it. Digging a ditch there, Nidhim, now already Nidhanam used here, Nidhim. Nidhim, Nidhanam Gruhitva, Nidhim Gruhitva, taking the treasure, Vyagutyatam, Nivartyatam, go back. Now this is the instruction. See, generally, people commit mistake when they don't follow the instruction. They land up in trouble when they don't follow in the instruction. Like we have some instructions on medicines also, Srinivas. You should be taken like this.
Yeah.
Should be taken on empty stomach or should be taken after food. People, if they wish to take as they like, then they will have to face the music. So these boys are clearly told that you take these magical wicks, go in the northern direction, wherever it falls, you stay there, dig a pit, and whatever nidhi is hidden there, you take it and vyagutyatam, nivartyatam, and then you return. No more further going. Now they, yes, next.
तथा अनुष्ठिते तेषां गच्छताम् एकतमस्य हस्ताद्वर्तिः निपपात अथ असौ यावन्तं प्रदेशं खनति तावत् ताम्रमयी भूमिः ततः तेन अभिहितम् अहो गृह्यतां स्वेच्छया ताम्रम् अन्ये प्रोचुः भो मूढ किमनेन क्रियते यत् प्रभूतमपि दारिद्र्यं न नाशयति तदुत्तिष्ठ अग्रतः गच्छामः.
Now you see how greed works out here. Tatha Anushtite. That means all the four took the wick, that Siddhavarti, and then started going in Himalaya Dishi Gachantaha. Te Chatvara api Brahmana Putraha Himalaya Dishi Gachantaha Asan. Tesham Chaturnam Gachatam Ekatamasya Brahmana Kumarasya. One of the Brahmin boy of Astat from the hand of one of the boy. Vartihi, the wick, Nipapata, Nyapatat, it fell down. So all four were going, let us say, picturize in our mind. All four were going like in holding the wicks. One fellow's wick fell off. Atha then Asau, that fellow, that boy, Yavat tam pradesham, that is, Anuswara is missing here. Tam pradesham khanati. When he, as per the instruction of the Bhairavananda, he digs the ground, pradesham khanati, tavat tamramayi bhumi. He finds the land there all full of copper. Tamramayi bhumi. So tata then tena abhitam, that boy said, Aho, gruhyatam swechaya tamam. Then he told his friends, three friends, come on, take as much as you swechaya, freely. You take freely as much as you want, this tamra. Then others were offended by this. Anye trayaha, those three remaining, prochuhu, they said, Bho moda, you fool, kimanena kriyate tamrena. What is going to be done with this copper? Yet prabhutam api, even if you procure, get lot of tamra, lot of copper acquire, daridryam na nashayati. That is not going to abolish our poverty. That is not going to put an end to our poverty. Daridryam na nashayati. Tad uttishta, come on, get up. Agrato gacchamaha. We'll go ahead, he said. The other discouraged him. We'll go ahead. We are not going to be happy with this kind of tamra, copper. It is not going to end our poverty also. Come on, get up, we'll go ahead, he said. Then the boy said,
सः अब्रवीत् यान्तु भवन्तः न अहम् अग्रे यास्यामि एवम् अभिधाय ताम्रं यथेच्छया गृहीत्वा प्रथमः निवृत्तः.
so among the four boys, the first boy whose wig fell down, who dug up the ground as per the instruction of the yogi, and who found the copper, and then he said, Yantu bhavantah, gachantu bhavantah. You may go. You go ahead. You all go. Na aham agre yasyami. Na aham agre gamishyami. I am not going ahead. I am happy with my copper, he said. Evam avidaya, evam uktva, saying like this, Tamram yathechaya, he collected the copper to his fill. Yathechaya, gruhitva, collecting to his satisfaction. Prathamaha, Kumaraha, Brahmana Kumaraha, Nivruttaha, he returned. This is a very good boy. He followed the instruction of the yogi. He found to his fate, to his luck, only Tamra, and he took lot of Tamra with him and then returned from that place. He left the company of the three others. Te trayo api agre.
ते त्रयो अपि अग्रे प्रस्थिताः अथ किञ्चित् मात्रं गतस्य अग्रे सरसस्य अग्रे सरस्य वर्तिः निपपात. सोऽपि यावत् खनितुम् आरब्धः तावत् रूप्यमयी क्षितिः.
So one boy left now the journey, happy with his tamra, with copper. One boy left. Te trayaha, now three persons are left out, three boys. Te trayaha api agre prastitaha. The remaining those three, they started journey ahead, prastita agre. Atha then, kinchin matram gatasya. Kinchin matram, kinchin margam gatasya, kinchin. So as they moved a little ahead, gatasya, agresarasya, among the three boys, one was in the front. So is agresarasya, vartihi nipapat. So now second boy's wig fell off. So pi nipapata, it should not pat, halanta is nipapata. So pi balaha, yavat khanati, then he stops there and he begins to dig. Yavat khanati, yavat khanitum arabdaha, when he started to dig that ground wherever the wig fell, tavad rupyamayi kshitihi, he finds there the land full of a mine of silver. From copper to silver, no. First boy got copper. Now the second boy got a mine of silver under the ground. Next.
ततः प्रहर्षितः प्राह यद्भो भो गृह्यतां यथेच्छया रूप्यं न अग्रे गन्तव्यम्.
This boy is also very good. Praharshitaha, then he became very, very happy, exhilarated. Praha said, Yadbho bho, oh my friends, Gruhyatam yatechaya rupi, please take as much as you want. This silver now. Yatechaya rupyam gruhyatam. Please take the silver, collect it as much as you want. Na agre gantavyam, please let us not go further, he said. Tavuchatu, nothing.
तावूचतुः भोः पृष्ठः ताम्रमयी भूमिः अग्रतः रूप्यमयी तन्नूनम् अग्रे सुवर्णमयी भविष्यति. किंच अनेन प्रभूतेनापि दारिद्र्यनाशः न भवति. तद आवाम अग्रे यास्यावः एवं उक्त्वा द्वौ अपि अग्रे प्रस्थितौ सोऽपि स्वशक्त्या रूप्यमादाय निवृत्तः.
Now this is the turn of the second boy. Tau uchatuhu, tau uchatuhu, ayadi sandhi. Tau plus uchatuhu, uchuhu, uchatuhu, uchuhu. Those two boys said to the second boy, "Ho, friend, prushtatah tamra bhumi." Earlier in the back, we came across a mine, the earth full of copper. Agrataha rupyamaye. And in front now, you have come across the silver ground. Silver, you can say otherwise, silver ground only, silver. And then tat nunam, then their reasoning is this. Earlier it was copper, now it is silver. Ahead it will be tat nunam, surely agre suvarnamayi bhavishyati bhumihi. Then ahead it will be definitely suvarnamayi, it will be gold. Kimcha anena prabhutena, what is the use of anena, etena, prabhutena, rupyena, what is the use of so much of silver? Silver cost is always much lower than the suvarna, and silver cost is more than the copper. So gradation is there. Prabhutena api, adhikena api, daridrya nashahana bhavati. Again, they are so much obsessed. Our poverty cannot be relieved. Our poverty cannot be put to an end with this silver also. So, avam agre tad avam, we both. Okay, you take your silver as much as you want. But we both agre yasyavaha. Agre gamishyavaha. We will proceed ahead. Eva muktva, telling like this. Dvau api Brahmana Kumaro, those two boys, Dvau api, again ayadi sandhi. Dvavapyagre, those two also, agre prastito, they started ahead, forward journey. Sopi, and this second boy who got rupya, my bhumi, sopi dvitiyaha kumaraha, swashaktiyaha, to his capacity. Whatever he could dig, whatever he could collect as per his capacity. Swashaktiya, Shaktimana Yata Shakti, Rupyam Adaya, taking the silver, Nivruttha, he returned. He also returned content, taking as much as gold he could take.
अथ तयोः अपि गच्छतः एकस्य अग्रे वर्तिः पपात सोऽपि प्रहृष्टः यावत् खनति तावत् सुवर्णभूमिं दृष्ट्वा द्वितीयं प्राह भोः गृह्यतां स्वेच्छया सुवर्णम् सुवर्णात् अन्यत् न किञ्चित् उत्तमं भविष्यति.
Now comes the turn of the Tritiya Brahmana Kumara. Ata tayoho, now only two are left. Tayoho, dvayoho, api gachatoho, when those two were going. Ekasya agre vartihi papata. One fellow's wick fell off as both were going ahead. So api, and that boy, prakhrustaha, very happy, praharshitaha, prakhrustaha, yavat khanati, when he digs there out of curiosity and joy, tavat suvarna bhumim dushtva, he finds, according to their guess, suvarna bhumi only. Dushtva dvitiyam praha. Then he told the other person, second one, oh, gruhyatam swechaya suvarnam. My friend, take as much gold as you want. As Suvarnat anyat na kinchit uttamam bhavishyati. There cannot be anything precious than gold. Please take gold as much as you want. Let us return, he said. But that fellow won't listen. Yeah. Sapraha.
Sapraha, he मूढ़ न किंचित वेत्सि प्राक् ताम्रम ततः रूप्यम ततः सुवर्णम तन्नूनम अतः परम रत्नानि भविष्यन्ति. एषमेकतमः एषमेकतमेनापि
येषाम्
दारिद्र्येण sorry
येषाम्
ए
एकतमेनापि
येषाम् एकतमेनापि दारिद्र्यनाशः भवति तदुत्तिष्ठ अग्रे गच्छावः किम् अनेन भारभूतेनापि प्रभूतेन.
So the fourth boy who is left now is not happy. See, his friend said, "You there is nothing precious. Kinchid suvarnad anyatna kinchid uttamam asti atah yatecham swechaya suvarnam grihyatam swikarotu iti." But he says, "Modha, you are a fool. Na kinchid vesi. You don't know anything. You don't know the logic here working out." He said, "Prak tamram. First it was copper. Tataha rupyam. Then it was silver. Tataha suvarnam. Now you have got gold. Tan nunam. Then surely ataha param. You know, here afterwards, what will come? Ratnani bhavishyanti. There will be gems only now.
Yeah.
Bhavishyanti. Yesham ekatamenapi. If you get one gem also, yesham ratnanam ekatamenapi daridrya nasho bhavati. Even if I get one diamond, one costly precious stone, my poverty will be removed. What is the use of so much of gold and all? Yesham, that means this shows, Srinivas, even from the time, those early times, how Ratnas were, regarded like.
Yeah.
They were more costly, like, diamond of, I can't say what size, carat, fetches crores of rupees. Like there was one diamond which Nizam used as paperweight.
Yeah.
The cost of that diamond, 500 crores. You can put that paperweight in your pocket and go anywhere. But if you have to dig up so much, take so much gold of 500 crores, you can't carry them.
Yeah.
So the boy says the same thing. Yesham ratnanam ekatamenapi. Even if I get one of these gems, daridrya nashaha bhavati. My daridra will be out. Tat uttishta. Come on, get. Agre gachava. He says, no. He is asking him to come also. Agre
Yeah.
gachava. Let us go ahead. Kimanena bharabhutena api prabhutena. What is the use of this heavy metal gold? Though it is very costly, but heavy to carry, etc. Though plenty prabhutena, etc. Next.
सः गच्छतु भवान् अहम् अत्र स्थितः त्वां प्रतिपालयिष्यामि. तथा अनुष्ठिते सोऽपि गच्छन्नेकाकी ग्रीष्म अर्कप्रतापसन्तप्ततनुः पिपासा आकुलितः सिद्धिमार्गच्युतः इतश्चेतश्च बभ्राम.
Now fate coming into operation. Saha gachatu bhavan. That fourth boy said, you go away. Ahamatra stitaha tvam. The third boy who got the gold says to the other boy, Gachatu bhavan, you go. Ahamatra stitaha. I will be staying here, standing here. Tvam pratipalayishyami. I will be waiting for you. Tata anushtite. So the third boy stayed back, wanting to take the gold only, and asking the fourth boy to go ahead. And he said, I will be waiting here, you go and come. So when he left Sopi, Gachan Ekaki, the last boy, Ekaki Gachan was going alone. Grishma Arka, Grishma Surya Pratapa Santapta Tanuhu. No, it was maybe summer, and hot rays were there. So he was very much troubled. Grishma Surya Pratapa. So sun was very brilliant there. Santapta Tanu, his body was completely, uh, heated up with the heat of the sun. And when body heats up naturally, Pipasa Akulitaha, he was troubled with thirst. Siddhi Margachyuta, in the process, he has deviated from the Siddhi Marga, the Marga which he was to go actually. From the, he deviated from the path because of being heated up with the rays of the sun and being thirsty. Itaha cha itaha babrama. Then he did not know which way to go. Here and then. Itas chetaha babrama. He moved here and there, lost the track. Atha.
Yeah. Atha Brahmyan स्थलोपरि पुरुषमेकं रुधिरप्लावितगात्रं भ्रमञ्चक्रमस्तकम् अपश्यत् ततः द्रुततरं गत्वा तम् ओचत् भोः तमवोचत् भोः को भवान् किमेवं चक्रेण भ्रमदा शिरसि तिष्ठसि तत् कथय मे यदि कुत्रचित् जलमस्ति यतः तृषार्तोऽस्मि इति.
Now this fellow, when he lost the journey, lost the way and moved, he lost the way and moved here and there, he found Atha Brahmyan wandering there, Sthala Upari, Bhumi Upari, Purusham Ekam, he saw one person, man, boy, or man, whatever it is. Rudhira Rakta Plavita Gatram, his body was completely besmeared with blood. Brahman Chakram, Brahman Chakra Mastakam, and his Mastaka, over his Mastaka head, there was a Brahman Chakram, there was a wheel rotating. That is the story here. Wheel rotating over his head, Apashyat, he saw it. Tataha, then Drutataram, then seeing a disc rotating over the man and his body is completely full of blood, this boy became curious and speedily, Drutataram Shigram Gatva, Tama Vochati asked him, Bhobo, Bhoho Ko Bhavan, oh friend, who are you? Kim evam, what is this? Chakrena Brahmata Shirati Tishtasi, why are you staying like this with a disc rotating over your shirasi, on your head? Tat Kataya, please tell me, may yadi kutrachit jalamasti, and then he also asked him, please tell me if there is anywhere water here. Yataha, because I am Trusha, I am very thirsty now, he said.
एवं तस्य प्रवदतः तत् चक्रं तत्क्षणात् तस्य शिरसः ब्राह्मणमस्तके झटितम् स आह भद्र किमेतत् स आह ममापि एवमेतत् शिरसि झटितम् स आह तत् कथय तदुत्तरिष्यति महती मे वेदना वर्तते स आह यदा त्वमिव कश्चित् धृतसिद्धवर्तिरेवम् आगत्य त्वाम् आलापयिष्यति तदा तस्य मस्तकं चटिष्यति.
Now in this paragraph we come across a verb like chata chata chatitam chatitam chatishyati. Chata, to fall. Chata, patane, to get to fall, that is the meaning here. So this boy inquired from that another person on whose head the chakra was rotating. Evam tasya pravadataha, where he was asking, this Brahmana Kumara was asking for water and the reason for the chakra. Pravadataha, this is Shashti, absolute we call it. Shashti, like Sati Saptami, we have Shashti. Prayoga. Evam tasya pravadataha, as he was talking, tat chakram, as while he was talking also. While he was talking to that person, tat chakram, that disc. What chakram? The chakram which was rotating on the other person's head, mastake. Tat kshanat, that very moment, tasya shirasaha, from his head, brahmana mastake, it got transferred. Chatitam, it transferred. As the Brahmin boy was speaking like this, that very moment, the chakra transferred itself onto the head of the Brahmana Mastaka, the boy. Saha Bhadra, then the boy said, friend, what is this? I'm talking and your chakra came over my head. Then that person said, Purusha aha, Mamapi evam etat shirasi chatitam. To me also it came onto my head also like this. Like it came onto you, it came onto my head also. Mamapi evam etat chakram shirasi chatitam, chatitam agatam, patitam, chatitam patitam. So I also got this like this. Saha, then that fellow said, boy, tat kataya. The Brahmin boy says, come on, tell me then. Kada etat uttarishati. When will it come down? He was
Yeah.
mind motion. When will it come down? Mahati me vedana vartati. I have lot of pain. I am experiencing lot of pain. Then the other person, Saha, Purusha, Yada Tvamiva, it will come down, no doubt. When Tvamiva, like you, Tvamiva, Kaschid, somebody, Dhruta Siddhavartihi, like you came to me carrying a Siddhavarti, that magical wick. If somebody comes with a magical wick like you came to me, Tvamiva, Kaschid Dhruta Siddhi, Dhruta Siddhavartihi, सिद्धवर्तिरेव एवम् आगत्य, sorry, सिद्धवर्तिः एवम् आगत्य. If someone else, if somebody like you came to me holding the wick in your hand comes to you, सिद्धवर्ति एवम् आगत्य त्वाम आलापयिष्यति, if he comes and talk to you like you talk to me, tada, then tasya mastakam chatishyati, this will jump to his head. This will fall on his head.
Saha kiyan kalaha tava ivam sthitasya. Saha sampratam ko raja dharanin tale saha veenavat sarajaha.
Now see the wonder here. This boy has been staying there from time unknown. So this Brahmana Kumara asks, Saha, Kiyan Kalaha Tava Evam Sthitasya. How long did you stay here like this on the chakra with you on your head? Then the Purusha said, Saha, Sampratam Ko Raja, who is the king now ruling? Dharanitale, Bhutale, who is the ruling? What is the government going on now? BJP or Congress? Saha Veena Vassarajaha. He said it is the Udayana Vassaraja, the kingdom, I mean the kingship of Veena Vassaraja means Vassaraja. That is what he said. That is Udayana, someone is telling.
Saha aham tavat kala sankhyaam na janami. Param yada Ramah rajasit tada aham daridriyopahataha siddhavartim adaya anena patha samayataha. Tataha maya anyo naro mastaka dhruta chakro drushtaha. Prushtascha tataha tataha
Etat Sanjatam.
tataha ततश्च एतत्
Jatam. Etat Jatam. Now that Purusha is telling him, Sa aham tavat, I don't know, now Veena, that Vasraja is ruling, but he said, in my case, Kala Sankhya na janami, I don't know the duration of time. Param, but Yada Ramaha Raja Asid, when Rama was the king, now which Rama is the question now? Whether it is Dasarathi Rama or Parshurama or Balarama. Yada Ramaha Raja Asi Tada Aham Daridryopahata. When Rama was ruling, then I was a Daridryopahata, I was a poverty-stricken man. Siddhavarti Madaya, then I came with a Siddhavarti like you came to me. Adaya Anena Pata Samayataha Anena Margenas Agataha. I came over this place, this road, when Rama was ruling with a Siddhavarti. Tataha, then Maya Anyahanara, then I found another man, Mastaka Dhruta Chakraha Dushtaha. Like you saw me, then I saw when Rama was ruling, one man on whose head this chakra was rotating, Prushtascha, and asked him, and immediately that chakra transferred on me, now it is transferred to you. Tataha, then cha esa jatam. Then what happened? This is what happened. He said.
साह भद्र कथं तव एवं स्थितस्य भोजन जल प्राप्तिरासीत् साह भद्र धनदेन निधान हरण भयात् सिद्धानाम् एतत् चक्रपतन रूपं भयं दर्शितम् तेन कश्चिदपि न आगच्छति यदि कश्चिद् आयाति स क्षुत् पिपासा निद्रा रहितः जरामरणवर्जितः केवलमेवं वेदनाम् अनुभवति इति तदाज्ञापय मां स्वगृहाय इति उक्त्वा गतः.
Now that person who is relieved of his chakra bhramana over the mastaka, relieved, ityuktva gatah, he left. Then saha Bhadra katham, then he is asking, this Brahmin boy is asking, oh friend, tell me, katham, how, tava evam sthitasya, you stayed from Rama's time, bhojana jala prapti rasit, how are these things supplied to you, how was food and water, how was the availability of food and water to you? Saha, then Purusha said, Bhadra friend, dhanadena kuberena, dhanam dadatiti dhanadaha, dhanadena kuberena nidhana harana bhayat. Because Kubera, out of fear to lose his treasury, bhayat, siddhanam etat chakra patana rupam bhayam darshitam. He has created this chakra not to this fear of chakra, so that nobody would go further on. See, the idea is, what did the yogi ask the Brahmanas? Remember?
Yeah.
In what direction he asked them to go? Uttara Dishi.
Correct.
Yeah? And what is the Uttara Dik? Uttara Dik is the Kubera Sthana. And Kubera Sthana means full of money only. See, whatever little things they were able to get to copper, okay, silver, okay, gold, okay.
Yeah.
But this fellow's guessing is also correct. If he further goes, there will be Ratnan only. Ratnas, but Kubera doesn't want to part with his treasury. So he created this chakra. That is what he said. Nidhana harana bhayat siddhanam etat chakrapatana rupam bhayam darshitam. So those people who carry the wicks, for them he has created this chakra rupa bhaya. Tena kaschidapi, nobody na agachati. Therefore nobody comes further the gold level. Yadi kaschid ayati, if somebody comes, sa kshut pipasa nidraharitaha, if somebody comes in this area, then he will be free from kshut, hunger, pipasa, thirst, nidra. You will not have hunger, you will not have thirst, you will not have nidra. Nidra rahitaha. So you will be free from these things. Jara marana varjitaha, and you will also be free from jara, old age and death. No death, no old age, no food, no water. You will be staying there from times, millenniums, you can stand there. Kevalam, only evam vedanam anubhavati. Only thing is, you will be undergoing pain only. You will be experiencing this pain. Only pain will be there. You won't have to worry about food, water, old age, death. You will stay there like that only. Kevalam evam vedanam pidam anubhavati iti tad agnapaya. So he said, please give me permission. Mam swagruhaya. Now I take your permission. I am relieved and I want to go. Ityuktva gataha. But where is his gruha? He has been staying there for millenniums.
So shall we stop here, sir? Today?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.